Oops, gravity again. Very serious condition. Only treatment. Glitter. Beauty enhancement very hard today. Don't worry, I watched many tutorials. Sparkle crisis. Totally fine. Still a masterpiece.
Action! So hard to cute. My hand's shaking. No panic. Professional. Success.
I can fix, but my confidence low. This is art, medical art.
So hard to cute. My hand's shaking. No panic. Professional. And success. Okay. Maybe early success. Final verdict?
It's this face. Hard mode. I need miracle. Easy fix. Trust the doctor.